Hello, good morning. Today I'm in Hong Kong. I haven't been to Hong Kong for quite a while now, and I've never filmed anything here. So I thought, yeah, why not go out today and film some stuff? I'm gonna meet my friend Ivy soon downstairs, and we're gonna go out today, and we're just gonna eat and walk around Hong Kong, and that's about it. Yeah, because for me, Hong Kong is all about food. It's an incredible place to eat. And yeah, it'll be absolutely amazing. I think we're going to start off with some dim sum, tea, dim sum, and then we'll go somewhere else after that maybe later on today. The weather outside is pretty terrible, so you can see it's pretty miserable outside. So that means it's the perfect day to go out and eat and have a good time. So yeah, let's go. First stop is to Chuyua, just to get some hot milk tea, just to take on our way, and then we'll go to the dim sum after. Say hello, Ivy.
Hi!
Yeah.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Say it again.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Say it with, like, you know, enthusiasm.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Hot milk tea. Awesome. Chuyua.
That's no, this is mine, this is yours.
Oh yeah, classic Hong Kong milk tea. Perfect. Yeah, Chuyua is a great place to come. It's super convenient. It's open 24 hours and it might be a little bit pricey, but I think it's okay, and I always come here when I'm in Hong Kong. Alright, so where are we going, Ivy?
We're going to Lin Hang Tea House to have dim sum.
Lin Hang Tea House.
Yeah.
To have dim sum.
Yeah. Very traditional, classic Hong Kong tea house.
And where are we? Whereabouts?
Shanwen.
Shanwen Station.
Yes.
Hong Kong Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is a very famous place to have dim sum. So yeah, let's enjoy. What is this one, Ivy?
This is the pork liver.
Pork liver, yeah.
This is the brown sugar sponge cake. That's my favorite.
Brown sugar sponge cake.
Yes. I really like it. And then this is how we do. Every time when we go for dim sum, we bring the cup, the spoon, the bowl, chopsticks, everything. It's kind of like a hygiene.
You usually clean your chopsticks and your bowl and stuff with some of the tea.
And then we should do this.
Oh yeah.
The same thing too. I like it. Also people like signature. Do you want chili oil? Chili sauce?
Let's try it. Yeah, first.
That's not all for you. You have your own bowl.
So good. So good.
That's my favorite. They have the salted egg yolk inside as well. It's sweet.
And here we have pork bun. As you can see, this one's filled with pork and mushroom and vegetable, and it's really good. And then we have the siu mai. What's this, pork?
Yes, it's pork.
It's pork siu mai. What's really interesting about this dim sum place is it's one of the few places where they still have the carts that come around. As you can see it right there behind me. They come around with the carts where you can just choose whatever you want right off the cart. You don't order, you just come up, they'll stamp your paper for you and you just take the dim sum. It's kind of like the traditional way, which you don't see very often anymore. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Food heaven, Chinese food heaven, Hong Kong food heaven.
You should do like this.
What's under that one? This is how you do breakfast in Hong Kong. Yeah, it's gonna.
Silent guy, thank you. Crispy wonton or deep fried wonton?
Deep fried, crispy wonton. The prawn in the center. It's delicious. So that was absolutely incredible. Traditional Hong Kong style breakfast. How was it, Ivy?
Amazing, of course.
Amazing.
That's my city.
It's always amazing in Hong Kong coming for dim sum, and yeah, this place is absolutely brilliant. So it's
Lin Heng Tea House.
Lin Heng Tea House.
It's from 1920s. It opens from 1920s.
And it's been open here since the 1920s. So yeah, it's a really old traditional style dim sum place, and it's definitely worth checking out. It's delicious. Okay, so that was a fantastic meal. So where we're heading to now, Ivy?
We're going to the Monster Building.
Alright, the Monster Building, which is, how do you describe it? It's a
very popular.
It's a series of apartments.
Photoshop spots.
Yeah, it's a series of apartment blocks in Hong Kong that are very popular with Instagrammers to take photos of. It's kind of gloomy, one of these like gloomy, cramped
Exactly.
typical Hong Kong style apartment
Yeah.
blocks, and it's quite,
Very typical Hong Kong.
it's miserable, but it's quite photogenic, just like you. So we're gonna head over there now. Let's check out Monster Building. As you can see, this is like the classic Hong Kong Instagram
High density.
high urban population area where everybody likes to take photos, and
Have it as the
yeah,
background.
it's really a good backdrop of Hong Kong. And to be honest, yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, look at that.
Did you get umbrella?
You see a lot of people live there. So that was the appropriately named Monster Building. Great place to go and take photos for any hipster Instagram artist coming to Hong Kong for the first time. It's worth checking out. Okay, quick pit stop at the hotel, just so I can change my shirt, because we got absolutely drenched at Monster Building in the downpour that we unfortunately got caught in earlier. So yeah, change my shirt, put some clean socks on, and I'll continue my day in Hong Kong. Okay, after a quick detour to the bookstore and some groceries earlier, now it's time for our second and probably final meal of the day. So now we're heading...
We're going to have dessert.
Oh, we might have dessert later also. So where are we heading to, Ivy?
Joy Heng Roasted Goose Restaurant.
Joy Heng Roasted Goose Restaurant. So yeah, Joy Heng Roasted Goose. We have some barbecue pork and roasted goose.
Yeah. Or roasted meat.
Or roasted meat.
Yeah.
Whatever. Anything roasted, basically. Yeah. Okay, so here we have the roast duck, we have the pork underneath, we have the noodles, egg noodles, some rice, and seaweed soup. So let's enjoy it.
Do you want to try
Try to do it.
Do you want to try the motion?
What do you think, Ivy? Good. some of the pork. Oh yeah, that. Juicy, flavorful, incredible. Let's try the.
Can I have this one?
Yeah, go ahead. The roasted duck. Yeah.
It's kind of like a sour sauce.
That duck is incredible. Yeah? Yep, that is amazing.
Sorry, I just want to enjoy the food.
Beautifully roasted on the outside and juicy and succulent on the inside. Fantastic. So that was a very nice meal, really delicious and a very good price, quite reasonable, quite cheap actually. Yeah, it's fantastic, quick place to go and eat, service is good, and it's absolutely delicious. So yeah, Joy Hing in Wan Chai, check it out. Last stop today, before I wrap it up, we're going to stop for some dessert. This kind of milk pudding. It's milk pudding you see right here. And apparently this place is famous, the Yishun Milk Company. Apparently this place is famous for the attitude of the staff here. So, we'll see what it's like. Okay. So we got one cold milk pudding and one cold egg pudding. Okay, so this one is the egg.
Yep.
It's good. Not sure what the flavour is. It's eggy. But it's good, sweet. It's a nice dessert.
Try to steam the milk then.
And the milk. Oh, yeah. I think the milk's better actually. It's creamier, obviously without the eggy taste. Yeah, it's a nice sweet, creamy dessert. I think I prefer the milk one. Okay, well, back in my hotel room. After a good day out in Hong Kong, but I'm absolutely exhausted now. I've been away for quite a while, so I'm gonna wrap it up here for today and get some sleep until I fly back. To probably sleep all the way through till tomorrow when I fly back. But yeah, today was a great day. I did a few things, ate a few places that I've never eaten before, and been a few places that I've never been before in Hong Kong. So yeah, The dim sum was amazing. The monster building was a great place to take photos, and then the roast duck and the barbecue pork that we had was absolutely delicious as well. So yeah, and of course the milk pudding dessert that we just had at the end there, the milk and egg pudding, was pretty good also, and the staff were okay. They didn't seem to have too much attitude, so that's good. Yep, so that's it for Hong Kong, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. It would mean the world if you could subscribe, that would be brilliant. Alright, thanks for now, bye.